case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, the Civil Court of the City of New York heard a case, Mount Sinai Hospital vs. Loutsch, which centered around the idea that someone not named in a contract can still be considered a beneficiary if the contract was intended to benefit them. Mount Sinai owned an apartment building on Park Avenue that housed both hospital staff and unaffiliated residents. The hospital sought to evict these non-affiliated tenants to exclusively house hospital staff. The tenants argued that they had rights as third-party beneficiaries of a regulatory agreement between Mount Sinai and HUD. This agreement prohibited any use of the dwelling accommodations other than originally intended without written approval. The court had to determine if the tenants were indeed third-party beneficiaries and if Mount Sinai's proposal violated the regulatory agreement. The court ruled that since Mount Sinai was owned and operated by a hospital, its premises were exempt from the rent stabilization law, meaning that the hospital could proceed with its proposal to exclusively house its staff. However, the court held that the tenants could assert the breach of the regulatory agreement as a defense, causing the eviction proceeding to be dismissed. The court clarified that this did not grant perpetual tenancy to the tenants, but required Mount Sinai to obtain written approval from HUD for any proposed changes to the premises' use.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.